Today's story is not just a story. It is a mirror. It is for those who cried in silence. For those who were told, "I am with you," but were left alone when life became hard. If you have ever felt lonely, if people walked away when you needed them the most, if you smiled outside but broke inside, then this story will feel like your own story. And one more important thing, from this story, you will also learn English. Very easy English. English that is used in daily life. This story is specially for beginners. Now, let's start the story. My name is Zion. I am not special in the eyes of the world. I am not famous. I am not rich. I am not lucky either. I am just like you. A normal person with normal dreams. I don't have big talents. I don't have a perfect face. I don't have powerful connections. I never wanted luxury. I never wanted attention. I never wanted too much. I only wanted respect. I only wanted honesty. I only wanted someone who would stay. Even when life became difficult. There was a time when life felt warm. People were around me. Friends talked to me every day. Messages came without asking. Calls came without reasons. People smiled when they saw me. They listened to my words. They cared about my presence. They said, "Don't worry, we are with you." Back then, I felt safe. Back then, I felt important. Even bad days felt easy. Because I was not alone. I really believed this would last forever. Then life slowly changed. Not suddenly. Not loudly. Problems entered quietly. Stress followed silently. Pressure started growing inside me. I was fighting my own battles. I expected understanding. I expected support. But people started changing. Their tone changed. Their energy changed. Their presence started fading. At first, I ignored it. I thought, maybe I'm overthinking. But I wasn't. Replies became slow. Then shorter. Then stopped. Calls turned into excuses. Plans turned into maybe next time. Meetings turned into silence. Some said they were busy. Some said nothing at all. Some just disappeared. I didn't fight. I didn't beg. I didn't ask, "Why are you leaving?" I just stayed quiet. And watched. As everyone walked away. Silence hurts. Not the quiet one. The empty one. No messages. No calls. No, "Are you okay?" Just long nights. Just heavy thoughts. Just a heart full of questions. I checked my phone again and again. Not because it rang, but because I hoped it would. Silence taught me how loud loneliness can be. At night, I talked to myself. Because no one else was there. I asked myself painful questions. Was I not enough? Was I boring? Did I matter to anyone? I replayed old conversations. I remembered old laughs. I searched for my mistakes. But no answers came. Only silence replied again. That silence slowly broke me. I started feeling small, like I didn't matter. I saw people laughing with others. The same people who once laughed with me. They moved on so easily. While I was still stuck, I felt replaceable. Like I was never important. Like I was just an option. That pain was deep. Because rejection from strangers hurts less than abandonment from people you trusted. There were days I felt nothing. Not sad, not angry, just empty. I stopped expecting messages. I stopped hoping for calls. I stopped explaining my pain. I felt invisible to the world. Like my existence didn't matter. That was my lowest point, where even tears stopped coming. One quiet evening, sitting alone, a thought came to me. Everyone left, but I am still here. That sentence hit hard. I was broken, but I was still breathing. I was hurting, but I was still standing. Maybe this loneliness had a reason. Maybe life was teaching me something. Maybe this pain was shaping me. I realized people don't stay forever. They come for a season. Then they leave. And that's life. Strength is not given in crowds. Strength is built in silence. Loneliness wasn't killing me. It was training me. That day, I made a promise to myself. I will stop begging people to stay. I will stop chasing attention. I will stop depending on others for happiness. If I am alone, I will grow alone. I chose self-respect over attachment. And that choice changed everything. I started working in silence. No announcements. No motivation posts. Just discipline, just patience, just consistency. Some days were hard. Some nights were lonely. But I didn't stop. Because this time, I was doing it for myself. Slowly, something changed inside me. I stopped expecting. I stopped depending. I stopped explaining myself. I became calm. I became focused. I learned to sit alone, without feeling lonely. That's when I knew I was becoming stronger. One day, people noticed again. Messages returned. Smiles returned. But I was different now. I wasn't waiting anymore. I wasn't desperate anymore. I welcomed them politely. But I didn't need them. That was my real victory. Here is the truth. People don't leave you to destroy you. They leave to build you. Loneliness creates strength. Silence creates clarity. Pain creates power. Today, I still walk alone sometimes. But I am not scared. Because now, I know my worth. I know my strength. I know my value. And I know this. I will never abandon myself again. My message to you. If you are alone right now, this story is about you. You are not weak. You are becoming strong. Loneliness is not the end. It is the beginning. Because the strongest people are built in silence.